Hey guys, it's your girl Dazja Jordan. Welcome back to my channel for everything beauty, lifestyle, and self-care. So real quick, don't forget to go and follow me on all of my social media handles. And also don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, plus comment on this video, letting me know what you guys think. And if there's anything that I can kind of, show you guys or whatever. But this time around, I wanted to kind of go with a golden bronzy type of summery look with a very bold lip. So I was just feeling everything about this glow. Fenty be having me looking good. But let's get into it. So I want to start off by using the Cover Fix primer, and then I wanted to go into my Milani All-in-One foundation, and then from there I did use my Jackie Ann, what is it called? Too Faced Born This Way sculpting concealer. It was really nice. I like using it. And then I went in with my Maybelline Fit Me powder, and I just kind of went and dabbed all over my face. I'm only going to show you guys half, but I did dab through the whole entire face. Now I'm going to go in with my Black Radiance Cream Contour Palette. I love this palette so much, you guys. It works really good on women of color, even women that are not of color. It's just a really good product. So if you guys haven't tried it, please go out and buy it. You can get it at your local CVS, Walgreens, whatever. But I just wanted to go ahead and put some curves back into my face, because the foundation kind of made everything look pretty blah on my face. So yes, I went ahead and contoured everything from my cheeks to my forehead, and now I'm just gonna kind of work with my nose, just because my nose doesn't really have a defined bridge, so I like for that to look good. And then I went in with my NARS Creamy Concealer. It's a lighter color than the Born This Way concealer, so I just went just to kind of brighten up a little bit on my nose and what is it? Under my eye, I guess. Then I just wanted to go back and fix any imperfections that I may have messed up when, I had that beauty blender on my face. I went ahead and finished up with finishing up spraying my face with that Milani Make It Last finishing spray. And then I went ahead with that good old Fenty Hustle a Baby highlighter, and I literally just want to dab this in areas, because swiping or whatever is definitely going to give you a nice swipe on your face. Really, it's not going to look well put together and blended. So I kind of want to keep that flow going. So just soft dabs is how I use my highlighter. Then I want to go ahead and hit the bridge of my nose, my forehead, everything, that I just want to pop and glow and highlight. Oh yes, can't forget about that chin. Now I'm going to go in with my Crown Cosmetics palette. I actually got this in a boxycharge, so I wanted to start off with this cranberry type of color, and I just wanted to pop that into my crease, really. Then I want to go in with that lighter brown color, and I just want to pop that on top of that cranberry color. Just pretty much using this as a transition color, and I just really want to blend out that cranberry color. Don't want it to look too harsh on my eye or too bold or anything like that. And now I'm going to take this it's like a rose goldish type of color, I guess, and I just wanted to pop that on the lid, and I really wanted that to blend really good with the cranberry color, so that's why I didn't put any concealer or anything like that on my eye before I put on the gold color. And then I don't want to go too bold, so I just took whatever product that was left over from the cranberry color and just popped that underneath my eye. And then I went in with this mascara. I forgot the name of it. I will pop it down in the link below, but I did get this out of my boxycharge subscription a couple months ago as well. I really like this foundation, or not foundation, mascara, so it was really nice and easy to use on my little small eyelashes. And then I forgot the number of those lashes, but they are by Cherry. I really like them, I guess. And then I would definitely give you guys the lip details. I did not I forgot to push record when I was doing my lips, so I do apologize for that. But again, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video if you were feeling it. So I hope to see you guys in my next tutorial.